Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Adventure to Noor, hidden gem of Medina, the garden of Salman Al Farsi, a story of faith and freedom. Step into the tranquil garden of Salman Al Farsi, in Medina, where history and faith intertwine. This sacred site commemorates the Prophet Muhammad's act of planting 300 date palms to liberate his devoted companion, Salman the Persian, from slavery. Join us on this spiritual journey as we explore the garden's serene beauty and delve into its rich historical significance. Round Pushpin location, Medina, Saudi Arabia. Significance, site where the Prophet planted 300 date palms to free Salman Al Farsi, Tar Ka Ped features lush date palms, historical landmarks, and a peaceful ambience. IslamicLandmarks.com Jor 1 Welcome Saudi Jor Ek Bell. Subscribe for more explorations of Islamic heritage sites. Thumbs up ka chinha, like and share to spread the knowledge. Speech balloon, comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Call to action. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Islamic history and heritage. Your support helps us bring more stories like this to light.
قلب يهفو لمدينة الرحمن باع الدنيا واشترى الرضوانا نور الهدى في وجهه عنوانا نور الهدى في وجهه عنوانا.
Introduction. A garden of legacy, in the golden sands of ancient Arabia, where the desert meets the sky, a humble oasis flourished, bearing the sweetest fruits of faith and history. This is the story of the Salman Farsi Dates Garden, a sanctuary rooted in love, freedom, and devotion. Though, who was Salman Al Farsi? Long before this land was green, a man named Salman, born in Persia, began a journey that would lead him from fire worship to the light of Islam. He was a seeker of truth, and his journey brought him to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Theme: the story of freedom. Enslaved yet steadfast, Salman Al Farsi longed for freedom. The Prophet offered him hope and a plan. If Salman could plant and grow 300 date palms, he would earn his liberty. And so began the planting of history. A prophetic miracle, the Prophet himself planted many of those saplings with his blessed hands. Miraculously, each tree took root, none failed. A divine sign, a miracle of growth and mercy in the harshest of lands. The garden today. Centuries have passed, yet the trees still whisper tales of devotion. Today, the Salman Farsi Dates Garden in Medina remains a living testament to a bond of brotherhood, faith, and the fruits of struggle. Symbol of legacy. More than just trees, this garden is a symbol. It tells the story of a man who left everything for truth, and of a prophet who helped him reclaim his dignity with the soil and seeds of paradise. Closing reflections. The dates still grow. The garden still stands. And the story of Salman Al Farsi continues to inspire every soul who walks through these blessed groves, where faith was planted and freedom blossomed.
سافر سلمان في درب الإيمان قلبه يهفو لمدينة الرحمن باع الدنيا واشترى الرضوان نور الهدى في وجهه عنوانا.
The soil of struggle, this garden was not planted in comfort. Every tree holds the weight of chains once worn, and every root tells a story of perseverance. Each palm that rises from this earth was once watered by hope and sweat. Medina, the sacred setting, nestled in the radiant city of Medina, the garden stands not far from where the Prophet prayed, taught, and walked. It shares the same winds, the same sun, the same sacred soil, where companions of light once lived. Thus, a lesson in every leaf, the garden teaches us that freedom is earned, that dignity can grow from the ground up, that no effort made for the sake of truth ever withers away, not even after 1400 years. 11. The Prophet's touch. Can you imagine? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, placing a sapling into the soil, whispering prayers into the desert air. The very hands that received revelation now nurturing life into the earth. 12. Preservation through time. Guarded through generations, the garden has survived wars, empire, and time itself. Farmers still tend the trees with reverence, as if they're caring for a sacred trust passed down from the Prophet's time. 13. Spiritual significance. To visit this garden is more than a tour, it is a journey through Islamic history. A quiet moment where time bends, and you can almost hear the echoes of Bismillah in the rustling of the palm fronds. 14. A legacy of the Ansar. Salman's story isn't only about him. It reflects the spirit of the Ansar, the helpers of Medina, who gave everything to aid their brothers in faith. This garden is their legacy too. 15. Dates of paradise. In the Quran, the date palm is a symbol of paradise. Here, in this garden, paradise touches the earth, through stories, through sacrifice, through the sweetness of divine reward. 16. Ending with a call to reflect. As you leave the garden, look back once more. Let it remind you that true growth takes patience, devotion, and faith. Just like these trees, rooted deeply, standing tall. The chains of the past. Before the garden, there were chains. Salman was not born a slave, but destiny wrote a different path. Captured, sold, passed from hand to hand, until he arrived in Yathrib, what we now call Medina. 18. A seeker beyond borders, Salman crossed mountains, rivers, and deserts, not for wealth, not for fame, but for truth. His story is not just of a garden, it is the story of every soul that refuses to settle for falsehood. 19. Freedom through faith. It wasn't gold or swords that set him free. It was faith, planted like seeds, watered with patience, and grown with trust in Allah. In the heart of a desert, faith bore fruit, literally. 20. Witness to a miracle. People say miracles are rare. But this garden, it is a living miracle. Not one of those 300 date trees failed to grow. And every one bore fruit, because they were planted with purpose, and blessed by prophecy. 21. The Companion's Garden. This isn't just a historical site. It is the only garden known to have been planted by the Prophet's own hands, making it the only companion among trees. 22. The fragrance of sincerity. Walk through the garden today, and you won't just smell the scent of dates or leaves. There is a deeper fragrance of sincerity, humility, and the silent prayers of a heart finally at peace. 23. A bridge between civilizations. A Persian man in an Arab land, freed by an act of brotherhood, embraced by a universal faith. Salman's story is the bridge between civilizations. His garden, a green ribbon connecting past to present. 24. The unseen garden, perhaps the most beautiful garden, is not the one we see with our eyes, but the one Salman planted in the unseen world, the garden of intention, of sacrifice, of sincere love for God. 25. Where heaven meets earth, some say paradise is far away. But here, under the date palms once touched by the Prophet, you realize paradise left us a trace, a shadow, a scent, right here on earth. 26. Legacy carved in the wind. Even the desert wind that brushes these trees carries stories. Listen closely, it speaks of devotion, of chains broken, of a garden that outlived kings and conquerors.
مدينة الرحمن باع الدنيا واشترى الرضوانا نور الهدى في وجهه عنوانا نور الهدى الهدى في وجهه عنوانا، نور 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 الهدى في وجهه عنوانا.